Took your spot in that boat.
Hey, they're filming? Crack of 11 charters. Okay, picture that sun.
You gotta wait till you get time in the sky, man.
It's just right, son.
Hey, put that in college post.
Guess I can't drink a beer yet.
What you got there, son?
It was legal 2 weeks ago. That's a keeper.
Hey, let the fish sink to the bottom, son. Yeah, I was thinking about that.
That's who don't mind.
He literally said, "Who are you at?" Right?
I was thinking that exact same thing too. I'm like, wait.
Oh no, you caught a red. Bro. No, it's a fucking hybrid.
That's what it looked like.
Oh. No, that's just a really red fucking drum.
Come on now. I know. Give me one, Colleen.
The old dongfish.
That is the dogfish.
You got a good dong picture.
Oh, with artificial? Shit. Bro. Maybe throw that way. I'm getting them this time, son.
Dude, this is stinking.
That ain't no thing right. Really trying to break my
Trying to get my 500, son. God, now I can start drinking beer. Get him, Dick. Dude, that's the fattest red I've ever caught. Fucking Ron Jeremy with a redfish. Mother, too big red, huh?
Hello. Yeah, f***ing bulls. I want a 17-inch redfish, not this thing. If I caught fish.
Oh, screws out there. Show you what's you. If I was resident of Mississippi, I'd be tickled. Sheep donkey.
There's a redfish.
He looks small.
Yeah, he's small. Well, that's mine. They're here. Might have to let Cam sit on him.
Caught him with 2 of those shrimp on my hook. Like them double small shrimp, sir. It's a 2-for-1.
That's a keeper. Just go around Zach.
Oh, what I got?
You got Zach. Zach, really?
I got somebody else too.
Yeah, Zach.
I can fly without
Here.
Our first keep of redfish.
That's every. Right there?
Was that number 4 right there?
No. Oh, we got
Shit.
Zach's hooked
Big
up,
one.
son. Hey, that's my
There we go.
Big one, baby.
There we go.
Oh,
shit.
trying to swim on land.
God damn, that's a big motherfucker.
We finally got out of the dome.
Catch another one, Cam.
I'm glad Zach listened to me and caught him off the point.
I caught mine off the cane there.
Good lord, that's a big one.
Just remember, Zach, don't play with it.
They turn it on.
Hey, stop telling them where they're at.
I don't know. Zach's reeling in.
Let's catch on women, then.
Yards out. We just had a double. There's come to my left, I guess. That's the only way to do it. Oh, shit. Cam's got another one.
I wonder what these fish think when Cam sets the hook like that.
Cam, flip it to me, Cam.
Eat her.
That's
Be right at
That's a
16.
big fish.
That's a good fillet right there, Chief.
Let's see what he looks like. I'm gonna say 16.
He's
17.
got to be 16.
It's like, what you got?
Damn, you got a fucking shark.
Fucking tarpon?
17.
17 inches.
Right on the sandwich. Watch the pop bowl, Zach. Come on over here.
Woo, that's a good one, too. This ain't our pole either. Stop playing around, Zach. Come on, I need help.
Jesus. This mother won't come in. Come here, you big bitch.
Zach might have the bull red of the day on.
I don't know. This motherfucker. Zach, I caught 2 fish before you landed that one, Dick. Yeah. Get him on. Don't drop the camera.
Oh, we're killing him too.
Woo.
Yeah, I got you.
We're gonna eat
Get him
that
out of there.
fucker?
Get him out that net.
We're gonna eat that.
Yeah, we eat that.
Wrong fucking boat.
I just caught one that size, Cam.
But you ain't caught about 10 like this, son. Watch that. Good God. Nice. Shit, I still got one up here.
Someone take a picture.
Zach.
Come on, picture.
Yeah, I got you. I can pull all the fish in the video too. Oh, right on the jacket. There you go, son.
Dude. See that, Mark?
I think I got your feet. Well, that's your feet. You keeping that?
Son.
I was about to say you might have want to revive that bastard for a little bit after the
It's all good.
smackdown that just went on.
Yeah, for 30 minutes.
What are y'all doing over
I
there?
told you that fucking bit the fuck me up. I'm fucking
To
bleeding.
the right of that pelican.
Redfish don't bite.
Fucking bleeding.
Cam, come to the right.
Nah, he might not make it.
Now you had a foul hook.
He fought like a bitch now.
Yeah, you had a foul hook.
Oh, I missed him.
Yeah, flip it. That's keeper.
He's gonna be 16 and a half.
Oh yeah, he's 17 all day. Oh yeah. Let me get a scoop.
Yeah, get up there, Cam.
Watch that rod, Cam. Rod snapping.
Zach, step up.
Cam, would you like a picture with your
Oh, yeah.
dogfish?
I might as well.
You know, I like what.
Take all them birds that we got.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's he's perfect. Oh man, my
Bulls moved
hand
in.
just tore up.
Get that thing in there, Bundles.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How's it?
I had too much slack. I had to set it good, son.
I would. I mean, they're right there in the fucking pocket.
Met this girl at a coffee bar. I caught her staring at my phone. She rolled over with morning bread.
Press run that fast.
Get as close as you can. All right, kill it. Kill it.
That's right in the green.
You gonna make it, Al?
Yeah, it make.
Son? Just gotta let her soak.
Grab that pole that's got the cork on it. Yeah. Look. Hell yeah. Story cam.
You want it?
Video that. Yeah, Drew, grab that cork and throw it out there.
I don't know. It's your problem. Oh, I don't even have a ball.
Looks like on the
On again, son.
Oh, Ian got one hell of a hook there, dude. I'm going to the left, Drew.
Kevin Van Cam.
Throw it like at those reeds. So like throw it like in the middle of that
Hey, Philip, what you got there?
Got a nice little,
Is that a bass?
little yearling.
Drew, cast it.
Left to the point, Al. Step up. No, you're good, man. What the f do y'all do? Well, I caught that motherfucker off your couch.
Flip him to me, Cam, on your right.
I'm gonna flip open shit there, you think?
I would get his bike. I don't need. Give us your well.
Yeah, you might want to reel him into your boat, son.
Yeah, hey, hook that fish on Wilson's boat. Well, you caught that. Hook that fish on Wilson's boat. Sure, they're all big.
Watch.
That's 16. I was worried y'all just really know how to fish. Every time I'm around, we don't catch a fish.
It looks like a 16. I don't know, it'd be close.
We try a little bit. Crack of 11, John. Pretty close. I like Will Crack of 11, John.
Got that crack at 11, boy.
Ass
We
crack
didn't even
11.
start catching fish till 11.
I know.
We could
We
have slept
launched the
at.
boat at 8:30 like idiots.
We could have slept till 9.
Absolutely.
I'm pretty sure Colleen said there's no rush tomorrow morning.
He did. Yeah.
Sure.
Here.
All right, Mark. Your turn. Somebody gets close, grab the cord.
Oh, that'll keep it.
I bet she killed him.
Hey,
Little green trap, huh?
You got the pliers?
That's all good.
I can't believe y'all got that wet.
Did you see how wet it was?
Yeah. Why were you moving?
Huh?
Why didn't you move?
Dude, there was nowhere to go. Everybody was wet. Get Ham up there on the fucking deck. Look at him. A fucking killer. 13. Ham is so smooth with the reel. It's like a video game. It's a cheat code. Ham, I only have one question.
Oh! Put your fingers in his eyes.
I say kill him.
Kill him.
What's Captain Colleen say? Or Captain Cold?
That's a thing.
Huh? Oh, what, you don't eat the big ones? Another one.
That's really bad.
Whoa.
I'm getting tough.
Yes, you told me that before.
Fuck yeah.
Nah, throw that bitch back.
Country rock and roll outlaw blues singer.
Literally.
Think about that.
Might get fucking cooler today.
Man, I was raping that first one. Talk about a great trip with great people, man. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Yes.
I was worried. I said, I gotta go try that spot.
Are you putting these in one particular spot?
Hey, that was literally the same thing we just did with
It's
fucking delicious. She stayed at Cam's house, dude. I see the bag in front.
Let's see the bagging, son. Let's see the bagging.
Look at that. That's the champ right there. Look at that.
Get a video of her telling about the meal. Well, we're doing this for a YouTube channel, man. Tell us about the meal. What we got going on here?
We have crawfish etouffee, rice, stuffed crabs, seasoned green beans.
Obviously you did.
You got a little golden salad, and you gotta have peach cobbler and ice cream for dessert.
Oh, look at that, son.
Don't stop or rock it to the bang bang boogie. Sit up, jump the boogie to the rock and then the boogie to beat. I said, rocking into the beat. She said, me, you, and the crew, she gonna show how to move the beat. I said, I am the one, the mic, and I like to say,